The story of Prithviraj Chauhan is one of the most romantic, mysterious and heroic tales of Indian history. He was a famous king of the 12th century, whose stories of bravery, love and war strategy are still alive in folk songs and poems. Let us know his mysterious story in brief. Prithviraj Chauhan was born, year, around 1166 AD. He was born in Ajmer, Rajasthan. Father's name was Someshwar Chauhan, who was the king of Ajmer. His mother's name was Kapila Devi. 1. Valor and Kingdom. Prithviraj was the king of the Chauhan dynasty and the ruler of Ajmer and Delhi. He was very intelligent and adept in the art of war since childhood. It is said that he fought a lion in his childhood. The love story of Prithviraj Chauhan and Samyogita is one of the most famous and romantic sagas of Indian history. This story is considered a symbol of love, courage and sacrifice. Let us know it in brief. Background. Prithviraj Chauhan was a brave and great ruler, who was the king of Ajmer and Delhi. Samyogita was the daughter of King Jaichand of Kannauj. Prithviraj and Samyogita fell in love without seeing each other, a kind of distant love that flourished through the poems, folklore and paintings of the time. There was political animosity between King Jaichand and Prithviraj. When Jaichand organized a Swayamvara for his daughter Samyogita, he did not invite Prithviraj. Rather, to insult him, he made a clay statue and made it stand as the gatekeeper of the court. When Samyogita had to choose a groom from among the kings in the Swayamvara, she garlanded the statue of Prithviraj in front of everyone. At the same time, Prithviraj came secretly to the Swayamvara on a horse and abducted Samyogita and took her to Delhi. Jaichand was humiliated by this incident and later he conspired against Prithviraj along with Muhammad Ghori. After this, Prithviraj was defeated and captured in the Second Battle of Tarain. This love story is so popular that it has been described in epics like Prithviraj Raso, and has been repeatedly depicted in many plays, films and literature. Prithviraj Chauhan fought two major wars. First Battle of Tarain, 1191 AD. Opponent. Muhammad Ghori was the Sultan of the Ghori Empire, which is situated near Tarain, present-day Haryana. In the end, Prithviraj Chauhan won. In this war, Prithviraj defeated Muhammad Ghori and he had to flee from the battlefield in an injured state. And Second Battle of Tarain, 1192 AD. Opponent. Muhammad Ghori again. In this battle, Muhammad Ghori won the war by deceit. Ghori learned from the earlier defeat and came back with a better strategy and deceit. This time Prithviraj was defeated and taken prisoner. 4. Mystery and End. There are many mysterious stories about the death of Prithviraj. According to Prithviraj Raso, composed by Chand Bardai, Ghori had blinded him. But Chand Bardai made a plan. Greater than he told Prithviraj that he could kill Ghori by guessing the voice to shoot an arrow. When Ghori started speaking on Ghori's order, Prithviraj shot a Shabdbhedi arrow and killed Ghori. After this both of them killed themselves. Although historians do not consider the story to be completely true, yet the story has become a symbol of Prithviraj's bravery and glory in India. To hear more such stories, subscribe to our channel, like and comment on the story you want.